The other thing is, talked about all those other chords, all those extended chords you can use. So here's a very, very simple diagram that shows you what chords you can use, what extended chords you can use at the different points of the scale. So for example, on the root of the scale, you could use major 6th, 7th, 9th, suspended 2nd, 4th or power 5th chords, as well as the major chord that I've shown you earlier. So that's just to help you as you progress and learn some of the extended chords, where you can use them in your songs and progressions, at what point in the scale you would use them. So over the page here we give you some examples of where you can use extended chords in your song. So here's an example of where we've got a minor chord progression and we've put in the extended chords you could use, just as an example of how it works. You may also notice there's an error here. That F should be a 5 because it's the 5th point of the scale. It's an error that occurred that I didn't pick up in the proofreading. It's the only error in the book, so hopefully you'll forgive me.